In a world where luxury meets innovation, Cadillac is taking another bold leap forward. This is the 2026 Cadillac Escalade IQL Premium Sport, a full-size electric SUV that doesn't just represent the future of Cadillac, it defines it. The name Escalade has always stood for power, prestige, and presence. And now, it's entering the all-electric era with something truly special. At first glance, the Escalade IQL looks unmistakably Cadillac, bold, confident, and massive. But look closer, and you'll see how this SUV blends classic American luxury with futuristic precision. A full-length light bar stretches across the front fascia, framing Cadillac's illuminated crest. The design is sculpted yet elegant, aerodynamic but still commanding on the road. Every surface has been crafted to reflect light and power. From the black crystal grille to the dynamic 24-inch wheels, the IQL Premium Sport exudes confidence from every angle. Powering this electric beast is GM's Ultium platform, the same advanced architecture behind the Lyriq and Celestiq. The IQL packs a massive battery pack offering an estimated 450 miles of range, depending on configuration. That's luxury you can take cross-country. And when you put your foot down, instant torque launches this 3-ton SUV forward like a sports car. Cadillac's dual-motor all-wheel drive system ensures stability and precision, whether you're cruising city streets or tackling snow-covered highways. Step inside, and the Escalade IQL welcomes you into a digital sanctuary. You're greeted by a 55-inch curved LED display stretching across the dashboard, a single piece of glass integrating driver info, infotainment, and passenger entertainment. The craftsmanship is simply breathtaking. Every stitch, every surface, every detail has been carefully designed to elevate the driving experience. The Escalade IQL Premium Sport isn't just about the driver. It's about everyone inside. In the second row, you'll find captain's chairs that rival first-class airline seats. Heated, ventilated, and even massaging. Each one comes with its own 12.6-inch touchscreen display. And for those in the third row, there's more legroom than any previous Escalade, thanks to the stretched IQL platform, over 19 inches longer than the standard EV model. Recharging this giant is faster than you'd think. With 800-volt DC fast charging, the Escalade IQL can gain up to 100 miles of range in just 10 minutes. Perfect for long road trips or quick top-ups. Underneath, the IQL features an adaptive air ride suspension and magnetic ride control 4.0. Whether you're gliding through city streets or carving through mountain roads, it delivers a ride that's smooth, composed, and whisper quiet. From its dramatic lighting choreography to its illuminated door handles, the Escalade IQL knows how to make an entrance. When you approach, it senses your key and greets you with a dynamic light show. When you walk away, it bids you farewell in the same elegant style. The 2026 Cadillac Escalade IQL Premium Sport is expected to start around $140,000, placing it at the top of Cadillac's EV lineup, right next to the ultra-luxurious Celestiq. So, what does the 2026 Escalade IQL Premium Sport represent? It's a bridge between heritage and the future. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more deep dives into the cars shaping tomorrow's roads.